If you're interested into learning how to put timestamps or chapters onto your videos, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how to put timestamps onto your videos, and this will be picked up by YouTube, so it will categorize your video sections into chapters. This is not only helpful to you but also to your viewers. Well, if you're new here, my name is Kayiwa. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and if this video is helpful to you, make sure you share it to your friend. So as you can see right here, this video was uploaded yesterday and it has no timestamps, so we are gonna fill in the timestamps right now for YouTube to pick up. Now we begin with the intro, and that starts at 00 to about 16 seconds. So I write that down, and I will also go to the next timestamp. It begins at 16 seconds to 39 seconds, and in that section I talked about chlorine. Now you are going to repeat the whole process and fill in all the timestamps according to the sections you have in your video. Now as soon as you save that, YouTube will save that onto your video, and your viewers can skip to the right timestamp they could probably want to watch or be more interested in. So I have saved all of them and they have been included. Now your viewers can skip to the exact point of interest in the video. Now YouTube will also put chapters below the info or the description box below, and also on the top right of your video, so your viewers can skip to the particular point of interest. And this is actually also good for the video's SEO. So this process is that simple. You can do it. You could start doing it on all your videos, and you could probably see a difference in your viewership. Alright, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it. I'll see you in my next video.
I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray